We have received many requests from parents how to access Canvas. To do so, you must create a parent account. Start at the school district website, smjuhsd.k12.ca.us. On the right side of the screen, go to the People icon. Scroll down on the Links page until you see the Canvas icons. There are two icons. The white icon is for staff and students. The dark blue or purple icon is for parents. When you click on the parent icon, it will take you to a Canvas sign-in page. The first step is to create your Canvas account. Click on the link to create the account. Enter your name, your email address, a password you choose. Re-enter the same password. Then you will be asked for a student pairing code. To find the student pairing code, your student must be signed in to Canvas. From your student's Canvas account, they need to go to the account icon. It's directly under the Santa Maria boat and it looks like a person. From here, they will go to Settings. On the right side of the Settings page, they will have a button that says Pair with Observer. When they click on the Pair with Observer button, it will give a code. This is the code that you need to copy and paste exactly as printed into the student pairing code line. Each parent will have a different pairing code. Then you will click the box to agree to the terms of use and finally click the blue button to start participating.